it right.
I walked away from someone kind and true,
Never knowing all I needed wasn't you.
you never begged, you never held me down. You simply smiled while I kept leaving town. Now every road has brought me back to where the only honest love was always there.
Now the silence speaks your name like an echo through my soul. I finally see the truth I couldn't see before.
If I knock on your heart again, would you open up the door? Would you see the person I am today, not the one I was before?
Can we gather all the pieces that I scattered in the rain? Or have I lost forever
What I'll never find again?
if I knock on your heart again?
Will you let me in?
Oh yeah.
You gave your love without demanding more, while I kept searching somewhere else before.
The hands I held were never holding me.
They disappeared when life got hard to be.
Now every lesson written by my tears has cost me all those precious wasted years.
If I could turn the hands of time around, I'd choose your love before I touch the ground.
Every dream I chased has faded, every road has reached its end. Now I'm standing where I should have been.
If I knock on your heart again, would you open up the door? Would you see the person I am today, not the one I was before?
Can we gather all the pieces that I scattered in the rain? Or have I lost forever
What I'll never find again?
if I knock on your heart again?
Will you let me in? Oh, I won't pretend the hurt was small.
There were nights I nearly let you go.
The love that waits through every storm is
Stronger than we'll ever know.
if you've truly found your way.
And your heart has finally come back home.
Maybe yesterday can rest and tomorrow can be our own. If I knock on your heart again, I'm not asking you to forget. Love remembers every scar, but forgiveness heals them, yeah.
Let's begin where hope begins.
Leaving yesterday behind,
Truest love is never perfect.
it's the one that stands the test of time.
If you knock upon my heart again,
You'll never stand alone.
some people spend a lifetime searching for the love they once ignored.
Some discovered too late.
But sometimes love is patient.
Enough to answer one last knock.